So almost 2 weeks after a cyber attack, much of the state's COVID data remains offline right now.
That's right. It's happening as doctors are seeing younger, unvaccinated people fill up the hospitals, and they worry that they will become overwhelmed. WJZ investigator Mike Halloran is live at Dunbar High School, which, Mike, is closed now because of an outbreak.
They are, Denise and Nicole. Some school systems are still providing information on outbreaks, but the Maryland Department of Health has not updated much of its COVID dashboard since December 3rd as law enforcement continues to investigate that cyber attack. Doctors tell us many of these new cases are still linked to the Delta variant, not Omicron just yet. Cleaning crews in protective gear sprayed disinfectant inside Baltimore's Dunbar High, which remains closed due to a COVID outbreak. The school's dashboard shows 9 cases there this month. At Bowie State University, an outbreak of 80 cases is linked to gatherings off campus.
We're evaluating the testing that's ongoing today to see where we are and what next steps would be taken.
And more than 1,100 people are in Maryland hospitals.
The staff are depleted both in numbers as well as emotionally.
Bob Atlas is CEO of the Maryland Hospital Association. He says things are at a tipping point.
Our beds statewide are 93% occupied, which is, for all intents and purposes, full.
Calvert County's only hospital is now at capacity, and the state has opened a surge operations center to coordinate with every hospital and transfer patients if some facilities become overwhelmed.
They see a lot of patients who are unvaccinated who they know if they were vaccinated, they probably wouldn't be there.
In Anne Arundel County, hospitalizations have more than doubled in 2 weeks. County leaders sounded the alarm, saying patients are trending younger and many have not been vaccinated.
Both our hospitals and our EMT providers at our fire department are under a level of stress that is really unacceptable.
And they're flying blind. The state has failed to update COVID case numbers for almost 2 weeks following a cyber attack. The Maryland Department of Health says they're working around the clock to fix the problem, while the public remains in the dark with little explanation. And the Anne Arundel County executive says he does not get any numbers independently. He relies on the Maryland Department of Health. Now, some good news, almost 25,000 people have gotten their booster shots in Maryland in the past 24 hours. Live at Dunbar High, Mike Halloran, WJZ.